Morning, students. Today we will start the topic from example number 36. One of the important example, that is evaluate I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. This is very good question. Now we start the problem. Let me speak one thing, that instead of sin x, cos x may come. So question may be 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Both have the same answer. So both may come in exam. So okay, first step is only I is equal to, I'll use a property, you remember the property, famous property 0 to a, meaning instead of x I will write 90 minus x, and afterward 0 to pi by 2, it's gonna be log sine 90 minus theta is a cos theta. So you have a first equation, you have a second equation, we will add 1 and 2. So I and I will be 2i, and 0 to pi by 2, I want to combine them, log sin x and log cos x. Log sin x plus log cos x. What I have done, I take out dx common, log sin plus log cos have written together in single integration. Now afterward 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log m plus log n is a log mn. You know, log m plus log n is called log mn. It means to say log sin x into cos x. Log m into n. Afterward, the condition you have to remember little bit, that sin x cos x may create a formula 2 sin x cos x, which means sin 2x. So we will create here 2 sin x cos x. So we will multiply and divide by 2 like that, so that it gets a formula 2 sin x cos x will be sine of 2x. So we have a formula 2 sin x cos x equal to sine 2x, so that I multiply and divide by 2, that this gonna be 2 sin x cos x will be sine of 2x upon 2. Sine 2x upon 2. Now use log m upon n again. So 2i will be 0 to pi by 2. Log m upon n will be log m minus log n, like that. Log m upon n will be log m minus log n. Afterward, you separate the integration, log sine 2x minus dx, and 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. What I have done? Separate the integration in two sections. The interesting part is coming right now, that this section, this portion is now actually very near to this. Can you see? This is log sin x, this is log sin 2x, and the limit is same. So the thing is, this is not equal to this part which can be written I, but this is actually not same. We will try to make it same, so that it, can you understand, it's a log sin x only, it is log sin 2x. So we consider that 2x is equal to, I can't take directly x now, 2x equal to x is a worst assumption. So 2x equal to t we will take, so that I could make this equal to that whole equal. So 2x equal to t, meaning 2 dx equal to dt, and dx is equal to dt by 2. Also limit changing, when x equal to 0, t equal to 0, when x equal to pi by 2, that is 2 pi by 2, meaning t equal to pi. So your answer gonna change from 0 to pi, limit change, log sine, that 2x will be t, and that dx will be dt by 2, minus this log t will come out as it is, because it is a constant value, dx have integration x from 0 to pi by 2. And about this 2 I'll take out as it is, 0 to pi log sine t dt. This is so simple, log 2 upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. Now student, this is 0 to pi log sine t dt. I taught you one thing, if you remember, that without changing the limit, if you are changing the variable, this both will be same, meaning you can change to this t in form of x while you are not changing the limit. So I use the property which I right now taught you, that I am not changing the limit but I am changing the variable. That t I am writing in the form of x so that I could reach at same, because I want to make the answer same, so that I could write I. So that student, what I am doing here, it is log sine t dt. I have written sin x dx, and it can be done because you are not changing the limit, and it only can be done in case of a definite integration. It's a property, log 2, and this is pi by 2. Now student, this section now that equal to this one, log sin x dx, both are same, but unfortunately we had a 0 to pi by 2, it was the limit, but it is coming 0 to pi. Again we got failed. I just mean to say that it should come pi by 2, but it is not so, it is only pi. Now, until and unless we will change this pi in pi by 2, we cannot write equal to I. So we will change to pi in pi by 2, then we can write it equal to I. So we will do something now. Let me rub this section because you already have understood till here. I can't rub this section. So let me start. 2i is equal to 1 by 2. That pi I would write pi as 2 pi by 2. Very good thing I'm writing. 2 pi by 2. Because I want to make pi by 2, so that I have written like that. And log of sin x dx minus this pi by 2 log 2 is a part of answer. Now, would you think that 0 to 2a something, the property I think maybe coming in your mind? What is the property we study about? 0 to 2a f of x dx have a 2 answer 0 when f of 2a minus x coming minus f of x, and when f of 2a minus x coming f of x, this answer will be 2 0 2a f of x dx. This is the property, meaning you have to check it. It is none else but it is 0 to 2a. So I'll have a function log sin x. I have a function. This is a property. For just understanding I have written. It is not necessary. What do you have a function, guys? Log sin x. So I will check. What is my checking? 2a minus x. 2a minus x. What is 2a? 2a. Meaning instead of x I will write 2a minus x. 2a to cancel, sin 180 minus theta. Let me write sin. Sin 180 minus theta meaning sin theta. So answer is same, log sin x equal to f of x. So you put f of 2a minus x, you got a f of x, meaning what this condition is following. Meaning you can write 2 outside and now it becomes 0 to a. So student, let me rub this again. So what you had, this term, it was 2i is equal to half, that is 0 to 2a now has been changed. You know what? 2 will come after and 0 to a will be there. So 0, 2 will be coming after and 0 to a meaning 0 to pi by 2 you are writing here. Because this property fulfilled now. And when this property fulfilled, 2 will be written outside and then it is 0 to a will be remaining. So 2 will be outside and 0 to pi by 2 will be remaining, and log sin x dx. And this is pi by 2 log 2. Now 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 2i is equal to this whole now going to be I. Minus log 2. And this I will be transferred this side because this time it is whole equal to, that was question which was told I. So it is equal to I, and then 2i minus I will be I equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the end of the question. So it's a very good question for exam student. You know that it's a long one, and three to four properties used in single question. That's why it's very important. Except this question, if it is cos x coming, now questions will be, the answer will be same. So please you know that remember that in both of the cases answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. Let me repeat one thing. This is minus pi by 2 log 2. Whatever front of you, it is actually one of the formula also. You know, remember 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. It's one of the formula also, and may use in middle of the question. So keep remember also this question as a formula till end. Okay, so this is a problem. Now I just want to take some question from the exercise, students. Question number 10 I want to take. I equal to 0 to pi by 2. It's 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. So I want to be quick. I would speak something. First of all, I would separate the term 2 log sin x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. You remember the formula, I have taught you already. Logs 2 will be written outside, no matter at all. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. Let me speak that log sin x dx 0 to pi by 2, it is one of the question. You know, right now we saw, and I taught you that the question also may be used as a formula. So 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is one of the question as well as it is a formula. And log sin 2x dx, it is not formula. So we will change 2x as we did right now in the previous question. For this we are very sure, but for this, for second integration, what I will do now, I will change that 2x as t. Same I will do. 2 dx equal to dt. So dx will be dt by 2. I am not worrying about this section because this is well known for us. I don't want to put right now the value. Later on it will be done. So what about the limit? I didn't change. Can you tell me directly? When x equal to 0, t will be 0. When x equal to pi by 2, 2 pi by 2 meaning pi. So it gonna 0 to pi log sin t, and dx will be dt by 2. Same I'll do now. So what I'm doing here, I is equal to 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx minus this 2 I'll write outside, and 0 to pi log sin t dt. You remember all, each and everything, it is just a revision. Can you see that log sin x dx is same, half is same. Without changing the limit, we can change the variable. Same is coming. Again I will write pi s. You remember now, log sin x dx half, same in last question, 2 pi by 2 log sin x dx. Then after 2, you know, it's a property 0 to 2a. So can we use here what is f of x equal to log sin x? What I will write at the place of x? 2a minus x. So what it will be? Log sin 2a minus x. This will be log sin x. Why? 2 and 2 cancel, sin 180 minus theta sin theta. Meaning same. When this is same, 2 will be written outside. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, that half, this 2 will be outside, and 0 to pi by 2 remaining again. This type of questions you know, that have a less possibility to come, less probability to come in exam, because this questions are depending on the other question. This is actually one of the question, and this here this particular question using as a formula. Okay, now 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So 2 and this is the same, you know, 2 log sin x, 2 log sin x is a single log sin x, meaning both will subtract and have an answer 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Try to understand. I didn't write 2 because 2 minus 1 is a 1, and this is I, and you can understand this. This is the same question which we already had seen last. So its answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the end of the answer. So I have written directly because I use right now as a formula this, that's why. So this is a question from my side. Let me wrap and let me take one or two more questions. Now I'm taking here question number 12. Some good question I'll take only. 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, this is the question. You know 0 to a is a famous one, and I'll use a property 0 to a. Instead of x I will write a minus x upon 1 plus sin pi minus x. Afterward I is equal to 0 to pi minus x upon 1 plus sin 180 minus theta sin theta and dx. Now 1 and 2 will be added. It's a 1, it's a 2. So add 1 and 2, I and I will be 2i. And I won't write them together because in denominator we have a 1 plus sin x. After taking LCM, x plus pi minus x will be there. I think you can understand that when I'll add these two, I'll combine these two, the denominator are same, so numerator will be written automatically same. Okay, so x and x cancel. So 2i will be, that's pi outside, 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x and dx. Now we will solve this part. We will solve this part. We also can use here the property. If you can see that this pi may be changed as a pi by 2. I'll write the same property. I want to write the same property. It's a pi. It's a pi. 0 to pi it was 0 to pi. So I'm writing that pi is 2 pi by 2. Why it is so? Why it is so? Because we know the concept. Last question we already have seen that your f of x is 1 upon 1 plus sin x. And I'll write to that x is 2a minus x. 1 upon 1 plus sine 2a minus x, meaning sine 180 minus theta, meaning sine theta is the same function coming. So can I write that 2i is equal to pi, that 2 will be written outside, 0 to pi by 2. Same concept I am using. This was not necessary. You also can that find the integration and put up the limit. But okay, if you remember, you can do this. 2 will cancel. And pi 0 to pi by 2 and 1 upon 1 plus sin x is being in front of you. Now we will solve this question. Let me rub this. We will solve this question. How we can do this question? We will rationalize that term. Rationalize how? We can say that we will multiply and divide by the opposite sign. Like it was 1 plus sin x, I am multiplying 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. So you can understand that denominator will be 1 minus sin x. So the denominator will be pi 0 to pi by 2 1 minus sin x upon a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square x meaning cos square x. And then we have a term 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos square x meaning sec square x, and sin by cos is a tan and 1 by cos meaning sec x. Now we can integrate both of the term quickly. Sec square x have an integration tan x, and this is a sec x, and 0 to pi by 2. Now you can use the limit. Upper limit tan pi by 2 gonna be infinity. So we are helpless here to do this. Actually it is coming the not infinite term. So we don't have to change this. We don't have to change this. Let me speak from here again. We cannot do this. I'll write again the question because this is coming not defined term. Let me speak again. The question was x upon 1 plus sin x dx. I'll say that I is equal to 0 to pi. I'll use a property. Remember that. Quickly I'm telling you. Recently I've told out each and everything. 0 to pi by 2 is a pi minus x upon 1 plus sin 180 minus theta is a sin theta. And after adding student, what came? 2i. Directly I'm writing adding 1 and 2 Remember this is 2 and this is 1. After adding, it's gonna be pi upon 1 plus sin x. So I'll do same now. I'll take out pi common. I don't want to change it, and I rationalize the term, student. So 2i is equal to, it is a pi, 0 to pi. I rationalize the term. This is gonna be cos square x. 1 plus sin x it was. I divide and multiply by 1 minus sin x. It is in numerator, and denominator it will be a square minus b square. So it will be cos square x. And then what I'll do? 0 to pi. 1 by cos square x is a sec square x, and sin by cos is a tan x and sec x. Now I'll integrate sec square x, which is tan x, and this is sec x. Now 0 to pi, we can use here the limit tan pi minus sec pi minus tan 0 minus sec 0. This limit I used. Tan pi is 0, sec pi is minus 1, tan 0 is 0, minus 1 is plus, sec 0 is 1. So ultimately we got 1 and 1 2, and this is a 2i, 2 and 2 cancel, so I equal to pi. So this is the answer. In the previous question it was done okay, but at the last we found that it was not exist, so we have to keep remember the method. It can be done by this method. So hope you have got the procedure. Let me rub it now, and let me find the question which can be done. We have a question number 15 is very simple question, but still I am telling you. It is a pi by 2 sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x into cos x. This is the question, and it's very easy question. 0 to a is famous one. Now you have got properly that I will write x as 90 minus x cos 90 minus x upon 1 plus sin 90 minus x and cos 90 minus x. This property I use 0 to a. Then after this sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta, cos x minus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. This is cos x and this is sin x. You know sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, and this is I. So finally I would speak again one thing which you know it very well, add 1 and 2. What a good answer we are having. Can we see that 0 to pi by 2, you know its denominator are same, 1 plus sin x cos x, 1 plus cos x sin x, so LCM will be same. So can we write the numerator as altogether sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x. That is simple. Now cos and cos will cancel, and sin will cancel. So what a good answer we are having, only 0. So I will be 0. It may become, it's first time it is coming, but it is good. And I think you have got it. So easy it was. Okay. Okay, let me wrap this question. Let me put some more question. It is question number 16 I am telling you. I is equal to 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x. We start the study quickly. 0 to pi. I will write first famous property, you know it now. 0 to a is a minus x. Will be there. So I will be 0 to pi log 1 plus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. By quadrant system, you know it. Now I'll add 1 and 2. So what will be coming? 2i. Can we write together? Log 1 plus cos x plus log 1 minus cos x. And this is dx. Can we mix them? Log m plus log n, log mn. 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. A plus b, a minus b, it will be 2i is equal to 0 to pi log m into n log mn, and then log a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, meaning log 1 minus cos square x. And you know 1 minus cos square x meaning it is sin square x. And afterward log m to the power n come front. You remember this. What it is, so it was just the law of log m to the power n can be written outside. I mean, n is just come front, like log m to the power n equal to n log m. So power comes first. So this is the power came first. This is 2 and this is 2i. So 2 and 2 will cancel. I think you remember this situation, the scenario. This is very famous. Now 0 to pi log sin x it is coming, and it required pi by 2 na. So I will write, you remember that I am not repeating very again. This is log sin x dx, and you know the property now. Please do by yourself. This 2 will come front by using the property. Property I am not writing now because third time I am using this, and this is none else but it is what? It is minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the, and 2 and 2 cancel, minus pi log 2 is the answer. So this is depending question actually. This from here to here it was okay, but between this we have to write the property 0 to 2a f of x dx have a 2 answer, and you know that third time I am doing, you can understand here. So this was the question 16. Last question from my side only I am telling you of the chapter, because miscellaneous is a due on me later on we will complete, but as far as the chapter is concerned it is last exercise. So 17th one I am just fond of to tell you, 0 to a x upon x plus a minus x. Now student, I use again the so-called property that 0 to a meaning a minus x. It is again a minus x, and instead of x, a minus x. What it has been now, 0 to a, it is a minus x, it is a minus x, and it is after opening the bracket, it is only x because a and a will cancel. Now students, this is 1 and 2, so add 1 and 2, and you know the thing that whenever the denominator is same, you know, a minus x plus x, a minus x plus x, so both are same. So we just want to write them, taking LCM, the denominator will be same and the numerator will be combined, x and a minus x. You know, it is x and it is a minus x, and both are same. Look at, both will cancel. So 2i will be 0 to a, only dx remaining. Both cancel, and dx have integration x from 0 to a, 2i. So 2i will be only upper limit a minus lower limit 0. So I equal to a by 2. That's an answer of the question. So this is the exercise. Some good question, definitely some good question example are in still in a miscellaneous one. So which is yet to do. But according to the syllabus, first of all we want to finish, because till 11 exercise we have done with very honestly and full of dedication. So till here do the practice. Tomorrow in the next class we'll have a new chapter, and let me speak that in the okay, we will talk it on the WhatsApp chat. Please do the practice, and further we'll have a new good chapter. We'll see. Thank you.